What's up everybody, it's your boy Hardball. In today's video we're going to be installing the new Pinlock visor for my new AGV K6 helmets. Let's get started. First, I'm sure all of you have been wanting to see this happen. Whoo, that is clean. Alright guys, let's get started and get this Pinlock installed. First, we got to open up the visor. There's two latching mechanisms on both sides. We'll take this and pull this down. That pops out. Then we do the other side. And that pops out. Makes it easy swapping out visors. If you getting super late outside and you have your tinted visor on and you need to put on your clear one, you saw me, it takes within just seconds to swap those out. Super cool. But let's go ahead and get this Pinlock installed. Boom, here's the Pinlock. I'll open it up. There it is. We take it out. We take the lens, we place it in here. Oh, key thing too, make sure this is on the outside. In fact, actually, you know what? Even though it's a brand new helmet, we're gonna go ahead and clean this anyways. Microfiber cloth. Had a little bit of a cleaning spray on it as well, so I'm gonna dry that off on the other side. All right, Pinlock side, outwards. Fits it right inside these grooves. There we go, and now the other side. And there you have it. Simple as that. So we go ahead and put this back on the helmet. Same thing, but in reverse order. We're going to pull this latch up on the visor, and so that it lines up with this right here. There we go, there's one side done. There's the other side. And just to make sure that everything's functioning the way it should, try opening and closing it. That's fully opened. There it is. Pinlock installed. Easy as that, guys. Thank you so much for watching the video. I know it was really quick, but you can see how quick it was to install that. So if you ever have any questions though, make sure you comment down below and ask those questions. Be sure to also like and subscribe. See ya.
Close your eyes.